All right, so right now we're going to be talking about observations and inferences. So, science, once upon a time, like people used to answer questions. So, let's say there was an eclipse in the middle of the day, or like the crops, they all just died in the middle of like while they were in planting season, right? So, the way they used to explain these things was like they would attribute it to like we've angered the spirits or we've angered the gods, those kinds of things, right? That's how they would try to explain like things that would happen out in the world, or as they say, natural phenomena, right? So what they realized though is eventually that these weren't the reasons why things were happening. If the crops were going bad, they started thinking and like scientists, right? They started using something called the scientific method, and it was basically just using logic to answer questions. So again, if the crops went bad, maybe it's because the soil wasn't right, right? Maybe it was too salty or too acidic, not acidic enough. And so and then the eclipse, right? It wasn't that, I think it was the